little pony thing. And
Power. And then crush. Wow.
Wow, it crushed the ice. Almost like it doesn't.
It made slushy.
Oh, you should have done the ice by himself, Mom.
Well, it was, but you put water in it.
Oh, we're gonna do that. Put some more ice in it. Wow.
It made slushy. No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Open it, and then to open it, press the button.
Okay.
Are you in the market for a new blender? Well, have no fear, for I am here with your solution. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is the best blender on the market right now. Because not only do you get a blender, you also get a food processor and 2 to-go cups. That's right, 2 to-go cups. The to-go cups are great for smoothies on the go. And the food processor is great for blending up seasonings. Plus, it comes with a dough attachment so you can make cookies. In addition, the blender is phenomenal. It is so powerful. Like, listen to this. Do you hear?
I have owned these in the past. This one has so much power. It blends quickly and easily. I use it at least 2 to 3 times a day. I bought 2 of them for gifts for Christmas this year, and they love them.
Los días que no quiero desayunar algo muy pesado, me hago mi proteína, pongo hielito, leche de almendras sin azúcar, un scoop de la proteína, licúo y me lo sirvo. Esto me lo tomo alrededor de las 9, 10 de la mañana